Namo Namaha. Welcome back, children, to yet another session of Sanskrit literature. In today's class, we are going to continue with the chapter Kaha Rakshati, Kaha Rakshitaha. Students, we have seen that the entire chapter is presented in the form of a dialogue. Some children who have got afflicted due to the excessive heat of the summer season come out of their houses and start discussing amongst themselves. These children express their concern over the sudden rise in the temperature of the earth caused by human activities like deforestation or cutting of trees. The issue of the cleanliness of the environment has also been discussed by them. They make us realize that just as we keep our houses clean, we need to keep our surroundings clean too. They draw our attention towards an important issue of plastic pollution. The animals around us are getting affected due to the pollution caused by plastic, and we need to take some necessary steps to keep these animals safe from plastic. In short, some important environment-related issues have been discussed in the lesson, and this chapter reminds us of our responsibilities towards the environment. I hope you have understood the part discussed by us so far. In today's class, we are going to see the remaining part of the chapter. So let's get started with the lesson Kaha Rakshati, Kaha Rakshitaha.
Here is the Natyamshaha. I'll read it out. Paraminder vadati प्लास्टिकस्य मृत्तिकायां लयाभावात् अस्माकं पर्यावरणस्य कृते महती क्षतिः भवति. Students, in the sentence, the word is printed as layabhavat. It is a printing mistake. It should be layabhavat. पूर्वन्तु कार्पासेन चर्मणा लौहेन लाक्षया मृत्तिकया काष्ठेन वा निर्मितानि वस्तूनि एव प्राप्यन्ते स्म. अधुना तत्स्थाने प्लास्टिक निर्मितानि वस्तूनि एव प्राप्यन्ते. I hope you have understood the pronunciation of words. Now let's see the words with sandhihi or sanyogah from the given Natyamshaha. The words with sandhihi or sanyogah are Laya Bhavat and Tatsthane. Let's see the resolution of these words. Laya Bhavat is the example of Sandhihi and the resolution is Laya plus Abhavat. Tatsthane is the example of Sanyogah and the resolution is Tat plus Thane. Now let's try to understand the meanings of the words and the translation of the Natyamshaha.
Paraminder vadati प्लास्टिकस्य मृत्तिकायां लयाभावात् अस्माकं पर्यावरणस्य कृते महती क्षतिः भवति. प्लास्टिकस्य of plastic, मृत्तिकायां in soil, लयाभावात् as it doesn't decompose, अस्माकं पर्यावरणस्य कृते for our environment, महती great, क्षतिः harm or damage. Mahati kshatihi bhavati, it causes great damage or it causes great harm. The meaning of the sentence is, as plastic doesn't decompose in soil, it causes great harm to our environment. Purvantu, purvam, earlier. Karpasena, with cotton. Charmana, leather. Lauhena, iron. Lakshaya, lacquer or wax. Mrittikaya means soil or clay. Kasthena, with wood. Nirmitani vastuni, things made of these. Eva prapyante sma, prapyante sma were available. Earlier, only the things made of cotton, leather, iron, lacquer or wax, clay or wood were available. अधुना तत्स्थाने प्लास्टिक निर्मितानि वस्तूनि एव प्राप्यन्ते. अधुना now तत्स्थाने in place of those plastic निर्मितानि वस्तूनि plastic made things एव प्राप्यन्ते are available. Now in place of those plastic made things are available. I hope you have understood the translation.
Now let's see Visheshana Vishesha Padani from the given Natyamshah. Here are the Visheshan Vishesha Padani. The word Mahati is the Visheshanam of the Vishesham Kshatihi. The word Nirmitani is the Visheshanam of the word Vastuni. And the word Plastic Nirmitani is the Visheshanam of the word Vastuni, which is used in the last sentence. Now, let's move on to Paryaya Padani and Viloma Padani. In the Natyamshah, there is only one Paryaya Padam. Hanihi, the Paryaya Padam is Kshatihi. And there are two Viloma Pade. Alpa, the Viloma Padam is Mahati. And Labhaha, the Viloma Padam is Kshatihi. One important rule of Upapad Vibhaktihi is used in the Natyamshah. As you can see, the word Paryavaranasya is used in Shashti Vibhaktihi, and it is because of the indeclinable Krute. The literal meaning of the word Krute is for, and it governs Shashti Vibhaktihi.
Students, assuming that you have understood this dialogue of Paraminder, I am taking you to the next part of the lesson. So let's see the Agrimaha Natyamshah.
अत्र अस्ति अग्रिमः नाट्यांशः. अहं नाट्यांशं पठामि. वैभवः वदति, आम्, घटिपट्टिका, अन्यानि बहुविधानि पात्राणि, कलमेत्यादीनि सर्वाणि तु प्लास्टिक निर्मितानि भवन्ति. जोसेफः वदति, आम्, अस्माभिः पित्रोः शिक्षकाणां सहयोगेन प्लास्टिकस्य विविधपक्षाः विचारणीयाः. पर्यावरणेन सह पशवः अपि रक्षणीयाः. एवमेवालपन्तः सर्वे नदीतीरं प्राप्ताः. नदीजले निमज्जिताः भवन्ति, गायन्ति च. Now, let's see the words with sandhihi or sanyogah. The first word is Kalametyadini. It's the example of sandhihi, and the dissolution is kalama plus ityadini. The next word is evamevalapantah. The dissolution is evam plus eva plus alapantah. Here, evam plus eva is the example of sanyogah, and eva plus alapantah is the example of sandhihi. Vaibhavah vadati, am, yes. Ghatipattika means watch band or wrist watch band. Anyani bahuvidhani patrani. Anyani other. Bahuvidhani various types of, various kinds of. Patrani vessels. Other various kinds of vessels. Kalama pen, ityadini, etc. Sarvani, all of these. Plastic nirmitani bhavanti, are made of plastic. Yes, watch band, other various kinds of vessels, pens, etc. All these are made of plastic. Josephah vadati, am, yes. Asmabhihi pitroho shikshakanam sahayogena. Sahayogena, with the help of pitroho, parents, and shikshakanam, teachers. Plastikasya vividhapakshaha. Vividhapakshaha, various aspects of plastic. Vicharaniyaha, should be thought over, should think about. Yes, with the help of our parents and teachers, we should think about the various aspects of plastic. Paryavaranena saha pashavaha api rakshaniyaha. Paryavaranena saha, along with the environment. Pashavaha, animals. Api, also. Rakshaniyaha, should be protected. Animals should also be protected along with the environment. Evamevalapantaha sarve nadi tiram praptaha. Evam, thus. Alapantaha, while discussing, while conversing with each other. Sarve, all of them. Nadi tiram praptaha, reached the bank of the river. Thus, while discussing amongst themselves, they all reached the bank of the river. Nadi jale nimajjitaha bhavanti. Nimajjitaha bhavanti, they plunge into the water of the river, or they jump into the water of the river. Gayanti cha, and sing. Thus, while discussing amongst themselves, they all reach the bank of the river and they plunge into the water of the river and sink. I hope you have understood the translation. Now let's see Visheshan Visheshya Padani from the given Natyamshaha. Here are the Visheshan Visheshya Padani. The words Anyani and Bahuvidhani are the Visheshane of the word Patrani. The word Plastika Nirmitani is the Visheshanam of the Vishesham Sarvani. And the words Alapantaha and Nimajjitaha are the Visheshane of the word Sarve. Now let's see Paryaya Padani and Viloma Padani based on the given Natyamshaha. Here are the Paryaya Padani. Bhajanani, the Paryaya Padam is Patrani. Acharyanam, the Paryaya Padam is Shikshakanam. Praninaha, the Paryaya Padam is Pashavaha. Samvadantaha, the Paryaya Padam is Alapantaha. And there is only one Viloma Padam. Nashaniyaha, the Viloma Padam is Rakshaniyaha. I hope you have understood it. Students, now let me take you to an important rule of Upapad Vibhaktihi. As you can see, the word Paryavaranena is used in Trutiya Vibhaktihi, and it is because of the indeclinable Saha. Saha means with, and it governs Trutiya Vibhaktihi.
Students, I hope that you have understood this Natyamshaha. Now let's see the next part, which consists of a verse.
Here is the verse. I'll read it out. Suparyavarane nasti jagataha susthitihi sakhe jagati jayamananam sambhavaha sambhavo bhuvi sarve vadanti ativananda pradoyam jalaviharaha. Now let's see the words with sandhihi or sanyogaha. Suparyavarane nasti sambhavo bhuvi and ativananda pradoyam. Let's see the dissolution of these words. Suparyavarane nasti is the example of dirgha sandhihi, and the dissolution is Suparyavaranena plus asti. Sambhavo bhuvi, the dissolution is Sambhavaha plus bhuvi. Ativananda pradoyam, the dissolution is Ativa plus Ananda pradaha plus ayam. Now, let's see the meanings of the words and the translation of the given Natyamshah. Suparyavarana means due to good environment, that is, the good condition of the environment. Jagataha, of the world. Susthitihi, well-being. Sakhe, this word is used in Sambodhan Vibhaktihi and it means, O friend. O friend, the well-being of the world is possible due to good environment, that is, the good condition of the environment. Jagati jayamananam sambhavaha sambhavo bhuvi. Jagati jayamananam means those who have taken birth in this world. It means those who are living in this world. Sambhavaha, this word is used twice here. The first word sambhavaha means existence and the second word sambhavaha means is possible. Bhuvi means on the earth. The meaning of the second line of the verse is, those who have taken birth in this world, it means those who are living in this world, their existence on the earth is possible due to it. That is, due to the good environment. The translation of the verse is, O friend, the well-being of the world is possible due to good environment. Those who have taken birth in this world, that is, those who are living in this world, their existence on the earth is possible due to it. It means they can sustain life due to good environment. Sarve, all of them. Ativananda pradoyam jalaviharaha. Ativa, very much. Ananda pradaha, delightful. Ayam jalaviharaha, this playing in the water. This playing in the water is very delightful. I hope you have understood the translation. Now, let me take you to Visheshan Visheshya Padani. In the Natyamshah, there is only one pair of Visheshan Visheshya Padam. The word Ananda Pradaha, which is given in the form of Sandhihi, is the Visheshanam of the Vishesham Jala Viharaha. Now let's see Paryaya Padani and Viloma Padani based on the given Natyamshah. There is only one Paryaya Padam. Prithivyaam, the Paryaya Padam is Bhuvi. And there are two Viloma Pade. Ashakyaha athava asambhavaha, the Viloma Padam is Sambhavaha. Dukkha Pradaha, the Viloma Padam is Ananda Pradaha. I hope you have understood it.
So students, here ends the explanation of the lesson. I hope that you have understood it. Now we are going to solve the exercise based on the lesson. So let's move on to the Abhyasaha.
Here is the question number 1. Prashnanam uttarani ekapadena likhata. Answer the following questions in one word. The first question is, Kena piditaha vaibhavaha bahiragataha. Being afflicted with what does Vaibhav come out of his house? And the answer is Prachandoshmana. The next question is, Bhavanetyadinam nirmanaya ke kartyante. What are cut for the construction of buildings, etc.? And the answer is Vrukshaha. Marge kin drushtva balaha parasparam vartalapam kurvanti. What do the children see on the road and start discussing amongst themselves? And the answer is Avakara Bhandaram. The next question is, Vayam Shikshitaha api kathamacharamaha. How do we behave in spite of being literate? And the answer is Ashikshita iva. The next question is, प्लास्टिकस्य मृत्तिकायां लयाभावात् कस्य कृते महती क्षतिः भवति? Plastic doesn't decompose in soil. It causes harm to what? And the answer is पर्यावरणस्य. And the last question is, अद्य निदाघतापतप्तस्य किं शुष्कतां याति? In simple words, it means what goes dry in the summer season? And the answer is talu. Let's see the next question. Question number 2. पूर्णवाक्येन उत्तराणि लिखत. Answer the following questions in a complete sentence. The first question is, परमिन्दर गृहात् बहिरागत्य किं पश्यति? What does Parminder see after coming out of his house? And the answer is, Paraminder gruhat bahiragatya pashyati yat vayuvegah tu sarvatha avaruddhah. The next question is, Asmabhihi kesham nirmanaya vrukshah kartyante? For the construction of what do we cut trees? And the answer is, अस्माभिः बहुभूमिकभवनानां भूमिगतमार्गाणां विशेषतः मैट्रोमार्गाणां उपरिगमिसेतूनां मार्गेत्यादीनां निर्माणाय वृक्षाः कर्त्यन्ते. Let's see the next question. विनयः रोजलिनम् आहूय किं वदति? Students, Rojalinam is printed with halantama here. This halantama is not required in the word as Rojalinam ahuya is given in the form of sanyogah. The meaning of the question is, what does Vinay say to Rojaline when he calls her? And the answer is, Vinayah Rojalinam ahuya vadati महोदये कृपांकुरु मार्गे भ्रमत्सु एतत्तु सर्वथा अशोभनं कृत्यम् अस्मत्सदृशेभ्यः बालेभ्यः भवती सदृशैः एवं संस्काराः देयाः इति. The next question is, Rojaline आगत्य किं करोति? What does Rojaline do after coming there? And the answer is, Rojaline आगत्य बालैः साकं स्वक्षिप्तम् अवकरं मार्गे विकीर्णम् अन्यत् अवकरं चापि संगृह्य अवकरकण्डोले पातयति. And the last question is, अन्ते जोसेफः पर्यावरणरक्षायै कः उपायः बोधयति? What measure is suggested by Joseph for the protection of the environment at the end? And the answer is, अन्ते जोसेफः पर्यावरणरक्षायै बोधयति यत् सर्वैः बालैः पित्रोः शिक्षकाणां सहयोगेन प्लास्टिकस्य विविधपक्षाः विचारणीयाः, पर्यावरणेन सह पशवः अपि रक्षणीयाः. Let's see the question number 3. Question number 3. रेखांकितपदमाधृत्य प्रश्ननिर्माणं कुरुत. Frame questions using the underlined words. The first sentence is, जागरूकतया एव स्वच्छताभियानमपि गतिं प्राप्स्यति. And the प्रश्नवाक्यम् is, कया एव स्वच्छताभियानमपि गतिं प्राप्स्यति. The next sentence is, धेनुः शाकफलानाम् आवरणैः सह प्लास्टिकस्यूतमपि खादति स्म. And the प्रश्नवाक्यम् is, धेनुः कैः सह प्लास्टिकस्यूतमपि खादति स्म. The next sentence is, वायुवेगः सर्वथावरुद्धः आसीत्. And the Prashna Vakyam is Kah sarvatha varuddhah asit. The next sentence is Sarve avakaram sangruhya avakara kandole patayanti. And the Prashna Vakyam is Sarve avakaram sangruhya kutra athava kasmin patayati. The next question is Adhuna plastic nirmitani vastuni prayah prapyante. And the Prashna Vakyam is Adhuna plastic nirmitani kani prayah prapyante. The last sentence is Sarve nadi tiram praptaha prasannaha bhavanti. And the Prashna Vakyam is Sarve kutra praptaha prasannaha bhavanti. I hope you have understood it. Now let's see the next question. Question number 4. Sandhi vichedam purayata. Complete the sandhi vichedah of the words given below. The first one is Grishmartau. Students, here the word Rutau is given and it is with Dirgha Ru. But the word should be consisting of Rasvaru. Grishmartau. The sandhi vichedah is Grishma plus Rutau. Bahiragatya. The sandhi vichedah is Bahihi plus Agatya. Kanchit. The sandhi vichedah is Kam plus Chit. Tadvanam. The sandhi vichedah is Tat plus Vanam. Kalametyadini. The dissolution is Kalama plus Ityadini. Ativananda pradoyam. And the dissolution is Ativa plus Ananda pradaha plus Ayam. Let's see the next question. Question number 5. Visheshana padaihi saha vishesha padani yojayata. Match the Visheshan Vishesha padani. Students, as you already know, in Sanskrit, Visheshanam agrees with the qualified noun in Vachanam, Vibhaktihi and Lingam. Let's try to solve the given questions. Kanchit. The Vishesha padam is Shantim. Swachhani. The Vishesha padam is Gruhani. Pihite. The Vishesha padam is Avakara Kandole. The next one is Swachhata. It's the noun, it is the Vishesha padam and its Visheshanam is Swasthyakari. Gachanti. The Vishesha padam is Mitrani. Anyat. The Vishesha padam is Avakaram. And Mahati. The Vishesha padam is Kshatihi. Let's see the question number 6. Here is the question. Shuddha kathananam samaksham am ashuddha kathananam samaksham cha na iti likhata. Students, if the sentence is right with the reference to the lesson, you will write am, and if it is incorrect, then you will write na. Let's see the first sentence. Prachandoshmana piditaha balaha sayankale ekaikam krutva gruhabhyantarang gataha. Children who got afflicted due to the excessive heat in the evening, one by one enter their houses. It is wrong, so the answer is no. The next sentence is Marge mitrani avakara bhandaram yatra tatra vikirnam društva vartalapam kurvanti. All the friends see garbage scattered on the road everywhere and start discussing among themselves. It is the correct sentence, So the answer is आम. अस्माभिः पर्यावरणस्वच्छतां प्रति प्रायः ध्यानं न दीयते. Normally, we don't pay attention to the cleanliness of the environment. As per the reference to the lesson, the sentence is correct, and that's why the answer is आम. वायुं विना क्षणमपि जीवितुं न शक्यते. We can't live without air even for a moment. The sentence is correct, so the answer is आम. The next sentence is रोजलीन अवकरम इतस्ततः प्रक्षेपणात् अवरोधयति बालकान्. Rosaline prevents children from throwing garbage here and there. As per the reference to the lesson, it is wrong, so the answer is no. The next sentence is एकेन शुष्क वृक्षेण दह्यमानेन वनं सुपुत्रेण कुलमिव दह्यते. Just as the whole forest can get destroyed by a single dry tree, similarly, the entire family can get destroyed by a son with good character. The word suputrena is wrong here, and that's why the answer is no. बालकाः धेनुं कदलीफलानि भोजयन्ति. Children feed bananas to the cow. Yes, it is correct. So the answer is आम. The last sentence is नदी जले निमज्जिताः बालाः प्रसन्नाः भवन्ति. Children plunged into the water of the river become happy. It is correct, so the answer is आम. I hope you have understood it. Let's see the next question. Question number 7. घटना क्रमानुसारं लिखत. Arrange the following sentences as per the chronological order. Let's see the correct order of the sentences. The first one is गृहे प्रचंडोष्मणा पीडितानि मित्राणि एकैकं कृत्वा गृहात् बहिरागच्छन्ति. All the friends who got afflicted due to the excessive heat, one by one, come out of their houses. The next sentence is वृक्षाणां निरन्तरं कर्तनेन ऊष्मावर्धनेन च दुःखिताः बालाः नदीतीरं गन्तुं प्रवृत्ताः भवन्ति. Children who become sad due to the continuous cutting of trees and rise in temperature want or decide to go to the bank of the river. The next sentence is मार्गे यत्र तत्र विकीर्णम् अवकरं दृष्ट्वा पर्यावरण विषये चिंतिताः बालाः परस्परं विचारयन्ति. Seeing the garbage scattered on the road everywhere, children who got worried start discussing amongst themselves. The next sentence is उपरितः अवकरं क्षेप्तुम् उद्यतां रोजलीन बालाः प्रबोधयन्ति. Children advise Rosaline, who was about to throw garbage from above. The fifth sentence is बालैः सह रोजलीन अपि मार्गे विकीर्णम् अवकरं यथास्थानं प्रक्षिपति. Along with the children, Rosaline also collects the garbage scattered on the road and throws it at the proper place. The next sentence is शाकफलानाम् आवरणैः सह प्लास्टिकस्यूतमपि खादन्तीं धेनुं बालकाः कदलीफलानि भोजयन्ति. Children feed bananas to the cow, which was eating plastic bag along with the peels of fruits and vegetables. The next sentence is प्लास्टिकस्य विविधान् पक्षान् विचारयितुं पर्यावरणसंरक्षणेन पशूनेत्यादीन् रक्षितुं बालाः कृतनिश्चयाः भवन्ति. Children get determined to discuss the various aspects of plastic and to protect animals etc. along with the environment. And the last sentence is अन्ते बालाः जलविहारं कृत्वा प्रसीदन्ति. At the end, children become happy by playing in the water. I hope you have understood it.
Students, I would like to conclude the presentation here. Thank you very much for your attention. Dhanyavadaha. Punah milamah.